the name of the subnet, the amount of hosts needed on it, the actual size that's what it's going to be, subnet address, the range, broadcast address, the subnet mask, and the prefix. Okay, so first things first, you do the size of the net. So they're all pairs of 2, so it's 50. You just do, that would be a 64. If it's 25, that'd be a 32. If it's 18, that's also a 32. 10 would be a 16. 2. Now you need a network address and broadcast, so you have to add 2 on, so that'd be 4 minimum, and that's 4 minimum 2. Alright. So next is you do the actual subnet address. So subnet address for this is whatever the network is, and it's 0. Yeah, and it's 64 long, so the broadcast address would be 0.63, and then of course the range would be 1 to 62. We'll do the subnet mask and the prefix later. Next is the next one. So if this is 63, the next address starts at 64. Yeah, and it's 32 long, so the actual broadcast then is 95. So the range is 65 to 94. Okay, next one's same again, so it's 32, that's 96 then. Just adding the size onto each of these, so 64 onto that, 32 onto that, and so on. So that goes to 97 to 126. This is 127. Yeah. And the next size then, the next one is 128, and the broadcast for that would be 143. The range is 129 to 142. And then we come to the 4s, the last one there, it's going to be 143, so it's 144. You can add that one to it, it's 148. Yeah. It goes 145 to 146. And 149 to 150. And the broadcasts are 147 and 151. Now the easiest way to check these is odds and evens. So this is even, then it goes odd, even, odd, and it's so on all the way along. Right, now the actual subnet masks, easiest way to get these is literally just to take the size of the actual subnet away from 256. Yeah, so you usually have 255, 255, 255, dot, and then it'd be 255. But the actual size of the amount of hosts on it is 256, so you just take the actual size of the subnet away. So if this is 256, you take 64 from that and you're left with 192. Take 32 away from 256 and you're left with 224. Take 16 away from 256 and you're left with 240. 4 away, left with 252 and 252. Now the actual prefixes is just memory really. Best thing to, the way I do it is 4 for size 4, it's always /30. Then you work your way down from there. So size 8, so in 8 would be 29, 16 is 28, 32 is 27, and a 64 is 26, and it just works like that. 128 is 25, and so on. There you go, easy peasy.